Hey, friend, if you're watching this, it probably means you've been carrying a lot on your shoulders while preparing for your counseling exam. Maybe you're overwhelmed, maybe you've just been studying in circles, or maybe you're just tired of feeling like you have to figure this out alone. Well, I want you to know that there is something really important. You are not alone, and you don't have to walk this journey by yourself anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a free 45-minute support session with me and how to join my 2-hour small group study sessions as well. These aren't just study sessions, they're guided, supportive spaces where we use real tools and techniques to help you stay focused, calm, organized, and confident. I use structured study strategies, accountability supports, anxiety reducing techniques, and practical learning tools to help you understand, not just memorize. And you won't just have me. You'll also have access to a small, encouraging Slack community where you can communicate with others who understand exactly what you're going through. This group is for only members, and you'll be able to ask questions, share wins, give reminders, receive check ins, and you also get access to free once or twice a month 2-hour small group sessions with everyone within that Slack group. And feel supported in between the sessions because support doesn't just stop when the phone calls and Google Meet or Zoom meeting ends. As I walk you through Calendly, go at your own pace, choose what fits you best, whether this is your first attempt or you're coming back stronger than ever. I truly believe in you, and I'm here to walk with you. So let's talk about it. Let's look at the Calendly link and go from there.
Welcome to my Calendly page. This is where you can schedule different kinds of events that I have going on. You can schedule your free 45-minute consultation. You can also pre-schedule for groups that are coming up. So, for example, this weekend we have counseling skills and interventions that I will be doing this weekend, this Saturday, Eastern Standard Time from 12 to 2 p.m. Small groups. All of these have no more than 6 people within the group, right? So in counseling skills intervention, we'll be going over that topic where we discuss uh, in this group, you'll learn the clear breakdowns of counseling skills, how to match the right skills to the right clinical situation, and so forth. So then you can also look at counseling and helping relationships where you get a deep dive into what that is. And then next, I actually have coming up is a workshop for 9 weeks where you can actually drop in as we're going to go over all the steps that happens in research and the subcategories that you need to know, like type 1, type 2 errors, what is a variable, how many groups would it be for an IDDV and a control group, the foundations, the basics to get you understanding why as a counselor do you need to use these or even understand the research for clinical practices. So this is a cool one I just created yesterday. I was just going over, what I've heard and seen as a tutor over the past 5 years. And so these are the topics that are going to be covered. Identify the question and problem. This is part of the hypothesis testing. Review what already exists. Choose the research design. Select participants. Identify variables. Collect data. Analyze results. Interpret the findings and apply to practice. So in the beginning, we're going to talk about these nine basic foundations and why are they important to know and what we're going to be talking about in each of these categories as we start off that 9 weeks, right? And so in those 9 weeks for those 2 hours, we're going to break this down. We're not going to go all over these things in one setting. It's overwhelming. It's too much. So the goal is to break it down, right? So all of these sessions are 2 hours. They're $75. The max amount of people for all of these, except for the free 45-minute session for consultation, is the max of 6, right? So the 2-hour maximum of 6 participant groups that happens. For the research that we just looked at here, this one is offered on Saturdays as well, but it's from 6 to 8 Eastern Standard Times. All the other groups are from 12 to 2 normally. It's been consistent. But going back to the free 45-minute consultation, you can also set that up here. So if you click on here and you want to schedule, this is what it'll look like. You enter your name and your email, and you answer the question, and you pick whatever date you want. These are the days that I am available, right? And so it'll tell you how many spots is left and so forth. And then whatever's available, you choose from there. Same thing with signing up for any of the 2-hour group sessions, any of the workshops. We have professional practice and ethics coming up. So the schedule is already out for the next 3 weeks and counting. So it should be all the way to the end of January of this year that's scheduled out for the weekend. So only thing you need to do is get on the link, click on it. If you can, if you can't click on the link, copy it, put it in your web browser, and then you'll be shown this information on my page here. Okay? So, otherwise, I look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, reach out to me at GenevaTutoringPrep@gmail.com, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, so the link that you can copy or click will be in the description of this video. And I look forward to seeing you. Have a good evening and Happy New Year.